so. And we're now looking towards the Atlantic to see the first of these fronts now gradually working its way towards the north and eastern side of the British Isles. And then notice how this cloud really wraps around here through Scotland and back into Northern Ireland. So yet another spell of wet and indeed windy weather to come across this northwestern quarter of the British Isles. Further south, after that rather wet start to the day in some places, well, I think it'll be a mixture of some sunny spells and one or two showers for the western side of Wales and then into the southwest of England on what will feel quite a pleasantly mild afternoon, 11 or 12 degrees in the south. Further north with that wind and rain, well, perhaps not a great day to be outdoors. The trend for the coming week is to see one or two pockets of nighttime frost, certainly, but a general warming. You see that spread of those rather richer looking colours gradually creeping in towards the tail end of the week. Now, overnight, we'll start pushing that cloud, wind and rain away from the central and northern part of Scotland up towards the Northern Isles. But just notice how this front just tends to hang back here in the southeast through East Anglia, and that will at least have the effect of keeping the temperatures up there. But further north, well, there could be a little bit of mist and fog around and a wee bit of frost as well. So a fairly gloomy old start to the day, but the odd patch of rain and drizzle, nothing to write home about by any means. Further north, a glorious start to the day once you get rid of the mist and fog. Come the afternoon, we'll start pushing that band of weather just a little bit further north, taking away the sunshine across the North Midlands, perhaps into Northern Ireland as well, but staying pretty fine across Scotland on, again, a day, really quite a pleasant one. Into the middle part of the week, we begin to develop this west and east split with the cloud and rain over in the western side. Certainly that'll be the way of it through Tuesday, and indeed on into Wednesday as well, with these fronts still loitering out there. But just notice the difference on Thursday. We just begin to see the first signs perhaps of those fronts just trying to get across to the eastern side of the British Isles. So Wednesday, a rather wet affair across many of these western areas, plenty of cloud there, but notice the temperatures still in double figures, so not a cold week to come by any means. Still a little bit of brighter weather over towards the east. And then on Thursday, that's the transition day where we begin to get these fronts just working their way slowly but surely towards the east with a little bit of rain on them. Not a great downpour by any means, just always that wee bit heavier across the hills in Scotland. And then by Friday, I think having got that rain away, it'll be a mixture of sunshine